Zeke, Scarlet, children, cousins. What you got? Those your pails?
They're talking about the world economy.
Oh, how's it going so far? It looks pretty serious.
Yeah.
You guys getting a lot resolved? God, I'm gonna have to send you this video. It looks very serious. Yeah.
There's a lot to talk about. Yeah. I know, babies. I agree. Maya's busy digging in the sand.
Hey Maya. Hey Maya. Okay, I'll talk to you later. You look very serious as well. I wouldn't want to disturb you. Are you gonna rake? Okay. Oh, Scarlet. You gotta give one to Zeke. One of those is Zeke's. Say, here you go, Zeke. Here you go. Scarlet. Yo, Bink. Binker. Binker. Okay, we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, Zeke.